As a doula, one of the common concerns a lot of my clients have is with respect to breastfeeding. And as a mom, I'll tell you, one of the biggest challenges that I faced was breastfeeding. So what's going on here? I notice a lot that people tend to go into breastfeeding lacking awareness, lacking knowledge about what to expect, and probably most of all, lacking confidence. And I don't blame them, because it's something brand new. It's something you've never done before, and it's something that you will notice there's a lot of information out there about. And a lot of the information out there doesn't always serve us. When I was doing my doula training, I actually was lucky enough to take the class here at the womb with our lactation consultant, Anita, the Prenatal Breastfeeding Class. Now, I wish I had taken this when I was pregnant, but I'm grateful that I got to take it either way, because I can tell you that this class gives so much helpful information. It covers the most common breastfeeding concerns, like how do I know my baby is getting enough milk? How do I know I'm making enough milk? And what do I do when it hurts or when it feels like it's not working or my baby won't latch? How do I know my baby's latched? How do I know my baby's drinking milk? There are so many questions. And if you are sitting at home alone with those questions, it can feel like it's just not going to work. And I'll tell you, having strong, solid, knowledgeable, confident support might just be the one key to meeting your breastfeeding goals or not. And that doesn't necessarily mean taking a class, but it means lining yourself up with people who will believe in you and support your goals, whatever they are. It's not about X days of breastfeeding and getting to this point here or here or here. It's really very much about what is important to you. What does that look like? What goals do you want to meet? What feels important for your family? What's going to support your mental health? And of course, what's keeping your baby healthy? Our lactation consultants at the womb are so excellent in learning about that for you first, before they help solve any of your issues. Because of course, at the end of the day, we just want to do what works best for you. And having the prenatal breastfeeding class is another way that you can approach your postpartum experience with a little more confidence.